Every single second, Google processes over 99,000 searches. And every single time, someone decides what you see first. That someone isn't a person. It's a system so vast and so complex, most engineers who built it don't fully understand it anymore. This is Google's search ranking algorithm, and it controls what 8 billion people see, read, and believe every single day. It started in 1996. Two PhD students at Stanford had a wild idea about how the internet should be organized. Larry Page and Sergey Brin noticed something. On the internet, links are like votes. The more links a page gets, the more important it must be. They called it PageRank, a mathematical formula that could score every single web page on the entire internet. The idea was elegant. Imagine a person clicking links randomly forever. Whatever pages they visited most often, those were the most important pages. They launched Google in 1998. Within months, it was the most accurate search engine on Earth. PageRank had changed everything. But links were just the beginning. To really rank a page, Google needed to understand what the page was actually about. Enter keyword relevance. Google's crawlers scour every word on a page, in the title, the headings, the body, searching for meaning. Type in best pizza near me, and within milliseconds, Google has read, scored, and ranked over 1 billion potential pages. But how does it decide which pizza page wins? Google doesn't just count keywords anymore. That era ended fast. Because people tried to cheat. They stuffed keywords into pages, invisible text, hundreds of repetitions. Gaming the system worked, for a while. So Google evolved. It began reading context, not just what words appear, but how they relate to each other across the whole document. This is called semantic understanding. Google no longer asks what words are on the page, it asks what the page actually means. And meaning is just one signal. Google's algorithm weighs over 200 different ranking factors simultaneously, every single search. Page load speed, mobile friendliness, how long users stay, whether they bounce back to search. Every click teaches the algorithm something new. User behavior is now a core signal. If people keep clicking a result and staying, Google learns that page deserves to rank higher. Think about what that means. The more people trust a result, the higher it rises. The higher it rises, the more people trust it. It's a self-reinforcing cycle baked into the world's most powerful information machine. And we've only just scratched the surface of how deep it goes. Webmasters noticed the pattern fast. If links meant power, they'd manufacture links by the millions. Link farms, spam blogs, hidden text. The algorithm was being gamed at industrial scale. Junk flooded the top results. Google's credibility was on the line. So in 2011, Google dropped Panda, an update targeting thin, low-quality content sites. Millions of pages vanished from rankings overnight. Entire businesses collapsed in 24 hours. Then came Penguin in 2012, hunting manipulative link schemes with surgical precision. Google wasn't just filtering spam, it was rewriting the rules of the entire web. But links and keywords could only take ranking so far. Something smarter was coming. In 2015, RankBrain launched, Google's first AI system embedded directly into search ranking. It could interpret queries it had never seen before, understanding meaning, not just matching words. RankBrain learned from every search. Every query made it sharper, faster, more human. It became Google's third most important ranking signal, behind only links and content. Then BERT arrived in 2019, understanding full sentences, context, and nuance at once. Google could now read your search the way a human expert would, inferring intent between the lines. And in 2021, MUM launched, a model 1,000 times more powerful than BERT. MUM reasons across text, images, and video simultaneously, almost like thinking. The algorithm had evolved from counting links to genuinely understanding human knowledge. Today, over 200 ranking signals fire in milliseconds every time you press search. Location, device, history, speed, trust. All weighed, all invisible, all deciding your reality. No human editor chooses what you see first. A machine does, and it's learning to do it better every single day. Think about that. One algorithm, born in a Stanford dorm, refined over 20 years, now decides what 7 billion people call the truth. It shapes elections, topples businesses, amplifies voices, and silences others. But algorithms are built by humans, and humans can question them, audit them, demand better from them. The most powerful search engine ever created is only as wise as the values we choose to encode into it. So the next time you type a query and hit search, remember, you're not just looking for an answer. You're trusting a machine with your understanding of the world. Choose what you click wisely, and never stop asking who decided what came first.